Hey guys, this is me. Well, it's not exactly me because I am an AI generated voice, but that's another story. Whatever. So I was out on the road trying to make an epic drone shot for this video, but it didn't exactly go as planned, as you will see. Well, what can I say to you? Just don't be me.
Nee, oh, ja.
Thankfully, the drone turned out to be quite fine, given the circumstances. The tips of some of the propeller blades had to suffer a little bit, but the one arm that seemed to be missing at first was just folded in and not broken. The gimbal was okay too, and so I was able to even continue shooting some more clips later that day.